So folks, in 1909, other countries were scrambling to be the next nation to put a plane in the sky. Britain was lagging behind France and Canada in this respect, but there was a young British engineer. His name was Alliott Verdon Roe, that's his name on the plaque there, and he was developing a triplane, and at that stage it was called the Roe 1, okay? And in June 1909, he did actually successfully get into the sky, but only at an altitude of 15 meters, which is about 48 feet. And it wasn't for a long time, so it wasn't considered successful. So...
Ilan?